So, who is Liang Wenfeng, the founder and CEO of DeepSeek? Well, his journey begins with a solid foundation in education, a journey that ignited his passion for artificial intelligence. From his early academic achievements to the very first project, it was clear that Liang was destined to make a significant impact. These early experiences weren't just academic exercises. They were the sparks that fueled his desire to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Now let's talk about the technology that drives DeepSeek AI. What makes them so innovative? They are using cutting-edge techniques, but instead of getting lost in technical jargon, let's focus on the core concepts. DeepSeek AI isn't just building advanced algorithms, they are creating solutions that have real-world impact. Think of it like this. They are using these technologies to solve complex problems in ways we never thought possible. Beyond the technology, what about Liang's leadership? He doesn't just manage, he inspires. He has a clear vision for DeepSeek AI's future, and his management style fosters a dynamic and collaborative environment. He believes in empowering his team, encouraging them to push their boundaries and strive for excellence. He sees the bigger picture, the potential of AI to transform our world, and he's committed to being at the forefront of that change. Of course, the path to success isn't without its obstacles. Liang and his team face significant challenges, those moments that test your resolve and push you to your limits. But it was their resilience, their problem-solving skills, and their ability to adapt that allowed them to overcome these hurdles. This ability to pivot and learn is what truly sets them apart. In summary, Liang Wenfeng is more than just a CEO. He's a visionary, an innovator, and a leader. His journey and his work at DeepSeek AI are truly inspiring.